¿Dónde estamos?
I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now.
There are moments that happen once in a lifetime, leaving the whole world in silence. This video captures incredibly rare, incredible moments.
Holy!
The plane made an emergency landing on the sea, leaving tourists in disbelief at what they were witnessing. Oh my God, just a few steps away. Fortunately, he's safe. Cars and houses looked like giant springs when the earthquake hit. He practically got a second life when a giant rock flew right in front of him, just a hand's width away.
Holy shit! Aye, aye. Holy shit!
Faced with an unexpected tornado, the driver was lucky to remain safe. If there are signs of a landslide, it's better to park somewhere else to avoid property damage. If you ever face this situation, keep a safe distance. In just a split second, the sky suddenly changed completely, blowing away an entire warehouse. A swarm of locusts covered everything, causing major damage to crops.
¿Dónde estamos? Moisés, pasión, chabón, me dice que la cosa que hay. Ay, no, me muero, me muero.
See that video.
It was definitely shocking, to say the least. I kept rewinding it because I'm like, I just can't even believe what I'm seeing right now.
Matchwood after being swept away in a storm in New Hampshire. The once beautiful home disappears in the surging waters.
You think hail doesn't cause much damage? Just look at the size of it. Do you know these kinds of fish? The volcanic eruption shook half of Iceland. helplessly watching your belongings get swept away. Remember, no matter how hard it gets, we can always start again.
Oh, y el río como va. Mira, mira.
¡Hostia! ¡Hostia!
Witness the terrifying power of nature. In just a few minutes, everything turned to chaos as the storm arrived without warning. When nature gets angry, the most important thing to do is find a safe place to shelter. The flood swept everything away. Even a car looked like a toy against the destructive force of nature. The aftermath of a wildfire and flash flood combined in Miami. Nature always knows how to surprise us. Don't forget to follow to always be the first to see it.
Come no map.
Ja, auch Papa,